Hello all, a very happy new year, and I am starting my new year with my new YouTube channel. I'm pretty excited. As wedding season is going on, I have made this pink, golden, and orange combination of eyeshadow look. I hope you all will like it, and let's get started. So I'm starting my makeup with applying eyeshadow primer on my lid, and I am using Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm mixing it up well on my eyelid with my fingertips to create my base for the shadow and blending it well. And now I have started applying the bright pink color from PAC. The number is 17, and this is a shimmery pink, and I have started applying it from the inner corner of my eye, and I'm blending it well. And now I am applying a very bright orange color, which is also from PAC. This is a shimmery orange and the number is 03. I am applying it from the outer corner of my eye and taking it on the middle of my lid. Now I am highlighting my brow bone with a highlighter, and this is from MAC. Blending it well with the shadows I have already applied, and now with an empty brush I am blending both of the colors, orange and pink, and you can see it has created a beautiful shade of pink and orange. And I am putting a little bit more light color on the brow bone, and now I am applying a deep brown color. This is from MAC palette. I will be giving the link on the description below. And I am defining the outer corner of my crease, and that's why I'm using this deep color, and I'm blending it well with the other colors, especially with the orange. And now I'm blending all of the color together with an empty blending brush. And now I'm applying a little bit more pink color on the inner corner, as I want the color more deep. The PAC eyeshadows usually are very much pigmented, so it is always a good idea to apply a very little at the beginning and then just to increase the density later, applying little more. And again I am applying a little bit more brown color. Now I am applying the concealer. You can see I have started applying the concealer from the lower crease line to the lash line, and with the flat brush I am blending the concealer to lighten up that portion. I am applying a little bit more concealer to more define my crease line and making the lower lid portion lighter. Blending the concealer all good and smooth. And now I am applying this shimmery gold color. This is also from PAC and the number is 12. And I always like to apply shimmers using my fingertip, so I'm applying it all over my lower lid line. And you can see I'm blending the color using my fingertip, and I'm just blocking the outer corner and blending the brown color with the golden color and making just a blend up shade of everything. And now I am applying glitter glue over my crease line with a very thin brush. You can see I am applying it from the outer corner of my eye and taking it to the middle of my lid, and the line is only over the crease line. And now with a thin flat brush I am applying glitter over that glue
to create a golden glitter line over my lid on the crease line. Just press the glitters gently and just take your time and put it the way smooth you can, because it's glitter. If it gets inside your eye, it can harm your eye, so be a little bit more responsible and careful about it. Why I am using it? Because nothing can replace the look of the glitter, and that's the fact. And now I am applying liner, and I am giving it a little winged line look, and I'm just making the liner a little bit more thicker. You can see how beautiful it is looking, the pink and orange color with that gold line and a golden lid. I just love that look. This is a very different kind of look, yet it's gorgeous. And I'm taking out the tape, and with the same tape I'm taking all the extra glitters from my face. And now I am applying kajal. This is Lakme Super Black Kajal. I will be giving all the links of the products I'm using on the description below. And I am applying the same eyeshadow, pink and orange eyeshadow, on my lower lash line and blending it up well. And I'm applying mascara, and this is Lakme Iconic Mascara.
So this is my final look for today, and I hope that you all have enjoyed my video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, share my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want any specific color combination of eyeshadow look, please let me know in the comment box. I would love to do that for you. And as I am just beginning with this channel, I need all of your love and support, and please give me your suggestions and your feedback so that I can improve myself.